set feed rate. G94 is feed per minute. Ito, feed rate. Kumbaga, ito ang feed rate niya, in-specify na niya. 120 millimeters per minute. Okay, so sabi niya, in every minute, kailangan tatakbo ka ng 120 millimeters. And then, CM8 actually is start pulan. So sa program number, a maximum of 999 CNC programs can be written on the directory. Ganyan siya karami. Okay? Program name. The title is inserted in a CNC program with an open and closed parentheses. Kung bakit, in-explain ko na yan kanina. And the block. Each block is ended with a semicolon symbol. Block numbers, safety block. In-explain ko na rin yan kanina. For your reference, pwede learn kung gusto nyo. Then of course, work offset, as I have already explained. That is the work plane, G17, which is the XY plane. G18 is XZ plane. G19 is YZ plane. So we call the XY plane kasi we are working on the X and Y coordinate. Tulad na ginawa nyo kanina. Program unit of measurement. Tool call. Offset. G43. Pag may G43, may kasama yung H value. Kasi G43, tawagin natin ang tool offset. No? Kanina offset yung tatawagin natin. So, may partner lagi siya na H. Kasi yan ang specify kung aling tool ang kukunan na ito offset na gagamitin. Of course, yun na dito rin. Tool 1. And then, of course, may computation yan. Ito ang S1000. Nakakompute dito sa machine, di ba? Nakakompute dito sa machine. Cutting speed, RPM is makukuha mo by multiplying cutting speed with 318 divided by 2 diameter. Ang cutting speed is, hindi mo naman kailangan memorize yan. Kasi chart yan eh. Na magkakaiba ang cutting speed ng tool steel, iba ang cutting speed for aluminum, iba ang cutting speed for titanium, magkaiba mo yan. Recommendation. Saka pag nag-iba rin ang tool material is may recommendation din ng manufacturer. So, kailangan mong malaman na mo ngayon. Okay? But we use this computation or formula given all the conditions are good. Bago si tool, bago si makina, bago si Corn, maganda condition yung makina, wala siyang vibration. So, sa mga programmer, siyempre, perfect condition ang pinagbabasihan ng mga yan. But then, if you are in the industry, at alam mo yung makina mo, nag-a-adjust ka pa rin. Ay, bawasan ko ito, konti. Then, ito paglakasan ka eh, parang ganun. So, nasa discretion na natin na program. But basically, this is the formula, yung computing the RPM na gagamitin mo. Okay? And this is the feed per minute. Ang feed rate, meron din siya computation. Which is feed rate. Ito dito, ang sinabi niya is feed rate niya is 130 meters per minute. Now, to get the feed rate, you have to get the RPM. Kwenta mo lang RPM nila dito, di ba? Hindi na. RPM times feed per tooth. Ano ba ang feed per tooth? Machinists. Ano ang feed per tooth? Ano ang feed per tooth? Kapag ito ang handmade mo, dulo ah.